Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create multiple layer at a time, means line, point and polygon shape file create in QGIS. So it is very important if you want to work in QGIS and you are a beginner or a professional. So please like, share and subscribe my video. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. We open QGIS. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer, we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here point. We write here point means landmark and geometry type. We select here geometry type point and projection default. Okay, our point shape file created. Again we go to layer and create layer and new temporary scratch layer and we write here center line and geometry type line and projection default and OK. Our line feature created. Next we go to layer, create layer and new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name building and geometry type polygon and OK. Our file is created. Point, line and area. We start editing. So first we create point. So we select here landmark and click toggle editing and here is point feature highlighted. So we click here add point feature and draw a point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here is our point feature and next we draw a line. We select here line and start editing, go to toggle editing and our line is highlighted. We select here add line feature and draw a line and we right click for end. Our line is created. Next first point and second point and we right click. Our line is created. Third, polygon means building. We select here building. After it we go to toggle editor and our add polygon feature highlighted. We select here and we create polygon. First point, second point and third point and we right click for end. Our feature is created. First point, second point and third point and right click. Our point, line and polygon shape file is created. If you want to change symbology to point feature, right click and go to property. Here is point symbology. You choose as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our point layer property change and we go to line feature, right click and go to property and we select here layer. As per your requirement you select it and OK. Our line symbology change. Next we go to building, right click property and select here as per your requirement. We select green and OK. Our symbology change. If you want to see detail, you go to table. Here is table, open attribute. We click here. Here is attribute table. And if you want to identify, so you go to identify and you click. Here is identify tool and your detail. Here is nothing detail. Our multiple feature created process and symbology complete successful. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video.